this is how we jive for mass communication. I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Samsung Active 2 watch to your iPhone 12. You see I have iPhone 12 base version and Samsung Active 2. This is a brand new Samsung Active 2 watch and this is almost brand new iPhone 12. So I want to connect these two devices together. Why you want to do that? Because you want to change the look. I already have an Apple Watch, but I want to use Samsung as well. So let's try. Let's do what we have to do. Here we go. We'll go to the phone first, then we'll go to the watch. The phone, we have to go to App Store. Here we go. And you have to have your account connected to your App Store. If you don't have Apple ID, check my video how you can do that. In App Store, you have to type Samsung watch. See Samsung. Here we go. Samsung watch, Galaxy watch. Hit this one to download this. In some cases it will ask you to verify. We'll not open this because we're gonna need one more app, that is Samsung Health. Here we go. You see Samsung Health, this app, download this one as well, because you're gonna need to monitor your heartbeat, blood sugar or other things if you want to check. Okay, I have these two apps. Let's go where they are. Here Samsung watch and here is Samsung Health. So I'm gonna move them together. Better here. Now I have to open this one. I hit OK for Bluetooth using start the journey. Okay, which watch I have? Here I have Samsung Active 2. So select the watch you have. Hit this one. You can see here you can connect watch 3 also. Gear sports all. Now we'll bring my watch. Here we go. So the watch is already detected. I hit this one. And let's see here, I hit this one here too. Let's see. You see I have some information here. I hit pair and also here, both of them same time. So they are pairing now. And you see para finalizar, that is in Spanish. So language will change into English whenever it's connected to my iPhone. Let's see. So you check your phone to complete the setup. So language is changed to English. Let's see. I'm waiting to finalize. You see finishing pairing. Okay, data are moving from my phone to my watch, to my Samsung watch in fact. So this is wonderful. You can use now Samsung watch to iPhones. So great. I'm very happy. Port diagnosis, whatever, hit agree, allow notification. Okay to all is done. I don't want to connect with Samsung account and all that. Better you connect, because if you connect, your heartbeat monitor, other information can store your Samsung account. Or you can, lately you can do that, sign into your Samsung account. I hit skip. Allow. You see the watch is functioning. I hit confirm. Watch face and view all. So the watch is connected with this one thing. Hit the notification here, check all the notification is available and all the things is working fine. So watch is working, watch is connected, all the information of watch check properly too, application and other things. So I think all is working fine and gently. So this is how you connect your Samsung watch to your iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 mini, whatever version you have, or any other version of iPhone. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye bye.